GoHighLevel just made a bunch of their AI features completely free, like no credits, no usage tracking, just free. And if you're running an agency or thinking about starting one, this changes how much it costs to operate, how you build automations, and honestly, how you sell to clients. I'm going to break down exactly what's free now, what still costs money, and how to use this to save hundreds of dollars a month running your agency. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency, and last month we generated over $400,000 in revenue. We use GoHighLevel every day to manage over 300 clients. So when they make changes to their AI pricing, I pay attention. Let's get into it. Chapter 1, what GoHighLevel just made free. All right, let's start with the big news. On April 2nd, GoHighLevel officially removed AI credits from workflows. That means a bunch of features that used to eat into your AI credit balance are now completely free to use. Here's what's free now. I'm going to walk you through the list one by one. First, and the one I'm most excited about, is AI Studio. This is GoHighLevel's brand new vibe coding feature, and yes, it is completely free inside your GoHighLevel plan. No separate charge, no token fees, no add-on. Here's how it works. You describe what you want to build in plain English, a landing page, a booking site, a custom form, a mini web app, and the AI just builds it for you. You're the manager and the AI is the developer. If you haven't tested this out yet, then you have to click the link in my description below and get a free trial to see it for yourself. Next, there's SMS AI. This is where you can use AI to generate SMS messages inside your workflows. You type a prompt, the AI writes the text message for you. That used to cost credits, but now it's free. Then let's talk about email AI. Same thing, but for emails. You can generate entire email drafts, subject lines, body copy, all inside your workflow using AI, now completely free. After that, we've got build workflows using AI. This is in labs right now and coming soon, but the idea is you describe what you want your workflow to do in plain English, and the AI builds the entire workflow for you. Now, this is also free. And lastly, I need to mention that funnel and website AI is also free. You get 1,000 AI prompts per day per sub account to build and edit funnels and websites using AI. That's a lot. You could build an entire client website in a day with AI assistance, and it won't cost you a penny in credits. Now, there is a fair usage policy. You can't just run 1 million AI generations a day. If you hit the daily limit, it resets in 24 hours. But for most agencies, you're never going to hit that limit with normal usage. This is basically unlimited for the average user. So if you add all of this up, the everyday AI tools you use to vibe code entire websites, build workflows, write emails, write SMS messages, and build funnels, all free now. But not everything is free. Chapter 2, what still costs money and how much. This is where it gets important for agency owners because you need to know what's going to show up on your bill. Outside of your subscription costs with GoHighLevel, there are some other small fees you need to pay. The good news is that most of the pricing is pay per use, so you only pay if you use it, and in most cases, it is less than a penny to use. Conversation AI. This is the chatbot that talks to your leads and customers automatically. This is now token-based pay-per-use pricing. You're paying API rates depending on the model. For example, GPT-5 Mini is 25 cents per 100,000 words, which is very cheap and hardly worth paying attention to. Voice AI. This is the phone agent that answers calls for your clients. This one has two parts. The voice engine costs 6 cents per minute, and then you pay for the LLM tokens on top of that. GoHighLevel says the average cost across their platform right now is about 16.3 cents per minute. So a 5-minute call is going to run you roughly 80 cents. Not bad, but it adds up if you have high call volume. Reviews AI. This is the one that auto-responds to Google reviews for your clients. That's 1 cent per review. Basically nothing. Ask AI. A lot of people have been asking me about this one. Ask AI falls into pay-per-use, and GoHighLevel is charging somewhere between 2 and 7 cents per AI interaction depending on what you're asking it to do. A simple request like update this contact is going to be on the cheap end. A heavier request like build me a voice AI agent or generate a full week of social media content is going to be on the higher end because it's burning more tokens. So the bottom line, the stuff you use every day to build automations and create content and workflows is free. The client-facing AI features like chatbots and voice agents still cost money on a pay-per-use basis, and that's really the only place you're going to see charges show up. By the way, GoHighLevel is the platform we use to manage our agency and all of our clients. If you haven't tested it out before, you have to try it using the link in the description below. And if you use my link, you'll also get access to my full AI Business Blueprint course for free. All right, let me show you how to actually use this. Chapter 3, the AI Employee Plan. All right, now let me introduce you to the AI Employee Plan, because if you're worried about the pay-per-usage stuff, then this solves it. The AI employee plan is a $97 per month add-on from GoHighLevel that turns most of the pay-per-use AI features I just walked you through into a flat rate, unlimited subscription. Without the plan, every time a lead chats with your bot, every time a review gets auto-responded to, every time you generate content, it's a tiny charge. With the plan, it's one flat $97 a month and you stop worrying about it. Let me break down exactly what you get. First, you get unlimited conversation AI. Second, you get unlimited reviews AI. Third, you get unlimited content AI. That's the AI image generation and long form text generation. Fourth, you get unlimited funnel AI. And fifth, and this is the one I want to spend the rest of the chapter on, you get unlimited Ask AI. Ask AI is GoHighLevel's new built-in virtual assistant that lives inside your account and can actually take actions for you. Not just answer questions, actually do the work. And if you're not on the $97 plan, Ask AI is pay-per-use at about 2 to 7 cents per interaction, depending on complexity. So once you're using it daily, the plan pays for itself almost immediately. This feature alone could be the reason you cancel your other AI subscriptions that you are using for business, since not only does it answer your general questions, but it can analyze and actually get stuff done for you. And I'm about to show you how I'm using this in my agency to automate social media management. But first, there is one important thing to know. Right now, the AI employee plan does not cover everything. The voice AI widget and voice AI outbound are not included. Those stay on pay-per-use no matter what. But like we talked about, the costs are minimum unless you're working with a client with a high call volume, for example. All right, now let me actually show you Ask AI in action, because this is the feature that changed how I run my agency day to day. Chapter 4, Ask AI tutorial, creating and scheduling social media posts. All right, I'm inside GoHighLevel right now. For this demo, I wanted to use a real business as an example. So I went and found a dog grooming company called Maddie's Mobile Makeovers. They're not a client of mine. I just picked them because they have a clean website and an obvious brand I could pull from. I'm going to click the Ask AI icon in the top nav, and I'm going to show you exactly how I use this to create and schedule social media content for a business like theirs in about 3 minutes flat. Here's the prompt I typed. Do some research for top performing Instagram carousel posts for dog groomers, then recreate similar images for the Maddie's Mobile Makeover brand. You can use images and colors from their website. Now watch what Ask AI does. It starts thinking out loud. It says it's going to research top Instagram carousel posts for dog groomers and pull brand details from the website at the same time. Then it scrapes the website for visual assets, it pulls the brand colors, and then it generates all 5 carousel slides simultaneously. Let me show you what it came back with. It broke down the top 5 highest engagement carousel formats for dog groomers. Number 1 is the before and after transformation, highest saves and shares because of the wow factor. Number 2 is a services breakdown. Number 3 is a why choose mobile grooming listicle. Number 4 is customer testimonials for social proof. And number 5 is a bold booking CTA slide. Then it generated all 5 slides in those exact formats, styled in the brand colors it pulled from the website. This is the kind of research that would normally take me an hour and then another hour to design. Ask AI did it in about 5 minutes. And here's where it gets crazy. My next prompt was literally this. Now let's create a caption and schedule to publish tomorrow on the Instagram account connected. That's all I said. Ask AI finds the connected Instagram account. It writes a full caption with 30 hashtags. It lays out the whole post proposal, showing me the platform, the account, the post type, the schedule date, the caption, and the 5 images. I typed approved, and Ask AI perfectly scheduled the post into the social planner. Now think about what this means if you're starting an agency. You can build full social media content for small businesses in minutes. That's not a productivity boost. That's a completely different business model. Chapter 5, how this changes your agency economics. All right, so let's tie all of this together and talk about what this actually means for your bottom line. So here's how I think about it. If you're running an agency, your fixed costs. GoHighLevel subscription is $97, $297, or $497 a month, depending on your plan. With any of these plans, you now have free AI features, like the Workflow AI Builder, ability to generate with AI for SMS, email, and code, and funnel and website AI. All free. Use these as much as you want. Then you have your variable costs. Conversation AI and voice AI are now pay-per-use at token rates. You control these costs by choosing the right model. GPT-5 Mini or GPT 4.1 Mini are going to be way cheaper than running everything on GPT-5 Full. But overall, your variable costs are minimum unless your client has an extremely high call volume. But here's the good news. If you're on the $497 SaaS Pro plan, you can rebill AI usage to your clients. So your clients use conversation AI or voice AI, and you can mark up the cost. They're happy because it's saving them time and you're making margin on the AI usage. But you can't rebuild the free features anymore since they're, well, free. So focus your rebilling strategy on the client-facing AI tools that still have usage charges. Let me give you a real quick example. Let's say you have a client using voice AI at an average of 16 cents per minute. They get 500 minutes of calls a month. That's $80 in cost to you. You rebill at 25 cents per minute. That's $125 from the client. You just made $45 in profit on top of your monthly retainer, and the client is thrilled because an AI agent is answering their phones 24/7. Here's the bottom line. GoHighLevel is making a big push to get AI into the hands of every agency owner, and they're doing it by removing the cost barrier on the tools you use every day. The workflow AI features being free is a huge deal for anyone building automations at scale. Now, coming up next, I have a video where I break down the exact AI business model I'm pivoting inside my $400,000 a month agency. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.